I wanted to put Copilot to the ultimate challenge this holiday season and see if it could keep up with my Christmas spirit. Some would say I have too many Christmas decorations, and they may be right, but that's a whole nother story for another day. Anyway, back to the challenge. I wanted to see if Copilot could match my level of festive creativity and maybe even surprise me with an idea that I haven't even thought of yet. To kick things off, I simply asked Copilot, give me magical Christmas ideas to decorate my house as a starting point for my Christmas Wonderland extravaganza. The first suggestion was a winter wonderland theme. I don't know if I nailed the winter part because I live in Australia, but I definitely have the wonderland part down pat. Complete with mixture of fairy lights to give my living room and kitchen that magical feeling. Ornaments from years past, Christmas Lego village, and snowflake decal via a cheap light projector. Next was rustic charm. I incorporated all of this into my hallway with light-up gondola wreaths and pine cones. I couldn't help myself by adding an extra few giant ball balls into the mix as well. Copilot gave me the suggestion of an elegant gold and white colour palette, which would work well with all the other tips that have provided me so far. I ended up going with the green and gold theme for my tree, and red, white and green for the door frames in my kitchen. These are actually made with removable picture hooks, chicken wire, tinsel, and ball balls, and I mean a lot of ball balls. The magical Christmas village was by far the best thing to set up. I love building Lego and have taken it to the next level with lighting up my bricks and customizing different kits I've collected over the years. If you don't want to go as crazy as I did, Copilot's suggestions are spot on. We're setting up something small with a few lights on a mantle or side table. The festive staircase took a lot more time, lights and tinsel than I ever expected, but it really does tie the house together nicely. I stuck with the red and green theme, but it's Christmas, so you can never go wrong with more colour. This next Copilot tip was the one that I never thought about until I started this challenge. A cozy reading corner. I don't really read unless I have to, so I turned my gaming desk into a nice little cozy corner instead. And lastly, what's Christmas without outdoor magic? This is still a work in progress, but I was able to get some lights up, the inflatables, wreath, and my newest addition, a mini projector to watch my favourite Christmas movies on while I bask in the awesomeness that is Christmas. So there you have it. If you're having trouble getting started with your Christmas decorations, or maybe you're like me and have so many you don't know where to put them all, this holiday season, let Copilot sprinkle some of that magic dust over your Christmas decorations. Thank you so much for watching. Have a safe and happy holiday season. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.